Back to school season is just around the corner, and last year between June and September, I made over $60,000 profit selling Crayola items on Amazon like markers, colored pencils, and crayons. This totally changed my life by allowing me to pay off student loan debt, reinvest into my Amazon business, and put over $20,000 into index funds. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get approved to sell Crayola on Amazon so that you also can make life-changing money. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Daniel, and I'm a 27-year-old full-time Amazon retail and online arbitrage seller going on 4 years now, and my business does over $1 million in revenue every year. I also own a 100% free Amazon community linked both on my page and in the description below with one goal in mind, and that is providing more value than 99% of Amazon paid communities. So I would love to have each and every one of you there. Again, the group is linked both in the description below along with on my page. Now that all of that is out of the way, make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos, and let's dive into how you can get approved to sell Crayola on Amazon in 2024. So to get you approved to sell Crayola on Amazon, we are going to be using the Webfront store website, and this is a website I have personally used to get approved to sell over 10 brands and categories on Amazon, so I can confidently tell you that this website will work. The first thing you're going to want to do is come up here to where it says sign in, and either sign into your account or create an account if you don't already have one. And this is a super simple process. You just enter your email, your billing information, your shipping address, and all of that stuff. The most important thing to remember when you are creating your account is to make sure that all the information you input here on Webfront matches your Amazon seller account exactly, because otherwise the invoice will not work. So I cannot stress this enough. Make sure the information here matches what you have on your Amazon seller account. But you just fill out all this information and hit create an account, and then you have a Webfront account, and we're just going to come up here and search for a Crayola product. In the search bar, we're just going to type Crayola, hit enter, and then you see all these different items pop up, and we're just going to look at Crayola art supplies, specifically colored pencils that we see right here. So now we have an option to buy these Crayola colored pencils, and we're just going to go over here and buy 20 of them. The reason we are buying 20 is because the ASIN on Amazon is a 2-pack listing, so we need 20 because 20 divided by 2 equals 10, which will give us the quantity of 10 we need to get approved to sell this item. So we're just going to add 20 to our cart. Once you add it to your cart, we're just going to go view cart, and then here you can see that we have the 20 units in our cart, and we're just going to go to checkout using the same information that we just made our account with. We are just going to log in, and then you proceed to checkout. So going over to Amazon, we see we have a Crayola colored pencil 2 count, and we're just going to go to select condition and new. Now you can see that I can already sell this product, so I'm going to show you an example of what it would look like if I could not sell this product. Here we have an item I cannot sell, Adidas Original, and this is what your Crayola listing would look like. So we'll just go over here to new and then apply to sell. And once you get to this page, you're just going to hit request approval, and on the next page is where you're going to be able to submit your invoice. So here you just check all of these boxes saying that you have the information that is required, and then you select a file. So you would go select file, and then you would upload the PDF of your Webfront invoice, and I would just name it something like Crayola invoice, something you can find on your computer, very simple. And once you do that, you just scroll down. You can enter comments if you want. Sometimes I type something in like I look forward to selling this brand. You don't have to put anything. Sometimes I just think it helps, and then you enter your email address and you hit submit. If your first invoice gets denied, don't get discouraged, because sometimes that happens on Amazon. Just keep resubmitting the same invoice, and if all your information on Webfront and Amazon matches, eventually it will be approved for you to sell Crayola on Amazon. If you need to get approved to sell other big name brands and categories on Amazon, I do have other ungating videos on my YouTube channel that I will link up here, and my free Amazon community also has ungating guides, which again is linked both in the description below along with on my page. I also have a premium Discord server with daily leads, restock monitors, 24/7 access to myself, and weekly calls. And back to school is going to be huge for my group, but there are only 5 spots left, so I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. You can try out my premium Discord server for 7 days free plus 50% off your first month with code MDR50. But again, there are only 5 spots left, and this group is limited to 75 members, so once the spots are filled, there will not be another opening until someone leaves the group. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Again, try out my premium Discord server with daily leads, restock monitors, weekly calls, and 24/7 access to myself for 7 days free plus 50% off your first month with code MDR50. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.